T-shirts, caps, jackets at iba pang mga souvenir items ng PBA teams, players at ng liga mismo. Hindi ba pag may suot kang nakita, ang unang tanong ay, saan mo nakuha?
Ronnie, not too many people are aware about PBA properties. So talk to me about the merchandise that you guys have for the PBA public.
Yeah, well, in fact, matagal ng PBA properties, Anthony, it's been out in the trade for quite a while. You can catch them in all Olympic Village outlets, in Shoemart outlets. A lot of them are scattered around the Philippines, in fact.
Di ba dapat may special edition kapag finals?
Yes, in fact, for the first time, we'll be introducing what you call spectator keepsakes. These are the ding-dongs, the barkers, the echo mics. Yung nakikita mo ba sa NBA, yung mga minsan yung mga mahabang balloons, yan, ilalabas na rin yan. Just to make a more festive atmosphere there.
Meron pang mga bagong darating, mga keepsake na tipong pang basketball fan talaga.
What else are you planning to introduce in the next couple of, shall we say, months? Is that basically it, or I'm sure you have long range plans?
Oh yeah, in fact, here's one thing that I'm sure a lot of would be waiting for, the trading cards. No, these trading cards, especially sikat na sikat sa America, especially for NBA trading cards. These trading cards will become coming out for, as far as PBA is concerned, for all PBA characters.
Okay.
This from all 96 players, including imports. And it's something to await.
Ang authentic PBA properties. Maganda silang pangregalo. Mas maganda siyempre kung ikaw ang tatanggap nito. We're sure you agree.